Welcome to our tutorial on how to unfollow a page on Instagram using your PC. If you're looking to clean up your feed and stop following a particular page, we'll guide you through the simple steps to unfollow it. Let's get started. To begin, open Instagram.com on your PC by entering the website address in your web browser. Next, locate the page you want to unfollow by either searching for it or navigating through your feed. Once you've found the page, open it by clicking on its profile. On the page, locate and click on the following button. This will show you the options related to your following status. Click on Unfollow from the options provided. This action will unfollow the page and stop its posts from appearing in your feed. By following these steps, you can easily unfollow a page on Instagram from your PC, allowing you to tailor your feed to your interests. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to unfollow a page on Instagram on your PC. Stay tuned for more social media tips and tricks.